The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
Hey yo everybody, welcome back to the On My Mod channel. I'm your host Ohm, and today we were supposed to be working on a scamming scammers video, but that did not
Be pursued at your place of employment and place of residence.
Oh no.
You have the right to contact the client to resolve your case voluntarily. Please check and dial again.
Drats. That did not go to plan. So instead we're gonna get glittery. Glittery. Now I picked these up from my local Wally World. That's Walmart for all you people who aren't in the know. This is a April April bath and body peel off mask. It's the glitter one, and well, it tells you on the instructions, first you gotta cleanse that beautiful that face of yours. Wash it up good. It's probably best to use warm water so that you can open them pores up, but that's just my opinion. It doesn't stress that on the packaging, just tells you to clean your face. So you do you, but I prefer to use warm water. Opens them pores up, baby. And now that your face is nice and dry, you can now start to open your packaging. Give it a little tear. Oh, so satisfying. So smooth. Let's take a gander. See if we can see the glitter. No, Tigra. Glitter face masks aren't for cats. It would get stuck in your hair. I promise you it would. Oh yeah, there's the glitter. At least it looks shiny. I'm not sure if I'm seeing glitter or if I'm seeing bubbles, but there it is. Now, I've seen people apply it with like sponge brushes or makeup sponges, but I personally just kind of lather it on there. There's a lot, and I'm not sure if I just have a small face, but I tend to have a lot, so I put it on there quite thick. I mean, look, it's to the point where, look, I mean, like, there's a shadow from the drip marks on my forehead. I mean, I'll rub that in and flatten it out a little bit, but it is about that thick all the way across my face when I typically do these. So lather it up, sucker. And here's a little uppy-closey of the mask gel when it's out of the packaging. Give you guys, you fanatics, a little up close so you can actually see what it is. I mean, it seemed like a lot of bubbles and not so much glitter, but let's see after the drying process. This next process that you see me doing here is actually a way of, it's a tenderizing for your facial. Alright, I'm blowing smoke up your ass. I'm actually just screwing around at this point. Oh, by the way, don't get it in your mouth or on your lips, otherwise your lips will be sealed. Like, not like legit. Now it's time to go scrub your mitts, wait 10 minutes, come back. It actually turned out to be more like 15, 20 minutes for me. It was a little humid out though, so I'll give them a little bit on their end. But yeah, I waited about 20 minutes until it was fully dry, and even then, there were a couple spots where it was thicker up top that was still a little moist.
Moist.
Moist. But it managed to, well, you'll see.
Moist.
Now, I was originally going to make this an ASMR type video, but as you can hear, our rooster barbecue just wasn't going to have that today.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Now, these masks don't typically give me the Johnny Depp crybaby persona, but for some reason I must have clipped a couple nose hairs on my way by and yanked those suckers out, and it definitely hit you in the sinuses. So be careful of that. But yeah, these worked great for me. I mean, they definitely yanked those pores out. So I like to rinse that mug off again, dry my face off real quick, and then get a little bit of lotion going. Massage that lotion in. I'll rehydrate that skin, and you're good to go. You're golden. Looking fly, looking fleek. Get out there and pick up them chicks or dudes or whatever 2021 blesses you with. So I suggest these masks, and you should try them. They're good stuff. It'll clean your face and clean your pores, and you'll be a cool cat. I think in the future we're gonna attempt to make our own masks, our own mask remedies, and give that a whirl if you guys enjoy this video. By the way, I've noticed that most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. If you guys would, it would be greatly appreciated. Helps out immensely. It also inspires me quite a bit. So if you would, smash subscribe, hit like if you enjoyed, hit dislike if you thought it was doo-doo, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So, chickadee, chickadee, ciao.